Alright, on to number 15 on 8.3. Same thing as 13, where we're going to use substitution. So in this case, our substitution is u equals tangent x. That's going to give us 2u squared plus 5u plus 3 equals 0. Again, pause the video now if you want, so you can work on your factoring. Otherwise, here in about 2 seconds, I'm going to just fill out the rest for you. Alright, 2u plus 3 and u plus 1. So here we get, we get 2u plus 3 is 0, or u plus 1 is 0. So we either have u is equal to negative 3 halves, or u is equal to negative 1. So I'm going to rewrite it, unsubstitute here, so that we have tangent of x is our negative 3 halves. Or tangent x is negative 1. Alright, so now I'm going to come back up to the top of the page. And to undo the tangent x, we're going to do tangent inverse on the left side. And we get x equals tangent inverse of the right side. Oops, sorry. I keep rewriting the same thing. X equals there. Alright, so we look at this and we find, again, negative 3 halves, not a nice even number, so we just plug it in our calculator and we get x tan inverse, so we get x equals, let's see, make sure I get this one right. So tangent inverse is somewhere between the first quadrant and fourth quadrant. And we're going to get 2.159. And then over here, here it is, a nice even number. Tangent inverse of negative 1. Well, that is on the unit circle as an exact value. And it happens to be tangent is negative 1 in, well, it's in that fourth quadrant. Let me go down here really quickly. It's clear down here. We get tangent inverse of pi, negative 1 is negative pi over 4. So it really would be negative pi over 4. Yeah, okay. Let's go back and look at the 2.159. Alright, when you plug that in the calculator, let me make sure I did that right. Second tangent of negative 3 halves. Okay, yeah, I want to clarify here. The value you actually get in your calculator is negative 0.9827. Okay, and then again, when you're dealing with the tangent inverse of negative 1, your calculator, I'm pretty sure you're going to type in tangent inverse and you're going to get negative pi over 4 as a decimal. So the catch with this set of answers is that neither of these answers, the left side or the right side, are between 0 and 2 pi. So what you have to do is add pi, add 1 period of your function to both of these. And what you find is you get x equals that number I put out there, the 2.159, or pi minus 1 pi over 4 is 3 pi over 4. Alright, so here's one answer, here's two answers. What we're going to do is we're going to add another pi to this thing. We're going to add pi to that, and we're going to add pi to that. We find that we get x equals 5.3. We're still within 0 to 2 pi, right? 6.28. And we add pi to this, and we get x equals 7. Oh, sorry. We get, yeah, I was right, 7 pi over 4. So our calculator gives us negative 0.98 because that's the inverse value. It's not within 0 to 2 pi. So all we have to do is add pi to it. And now we're within 0 to 2 pi. From there we're going to add another pi to it. We get 5.3. That's another value within 0 to 2 pi. If I add another pi to that, that's going to be outside of the 0 to 2 pi. So we're not going to keep going. Same thing here. 3 pi over 4 is our first addition of pi. So that now puts us within that domain of 0 to 2 pi. So here's one answer. Then we're going to add pi to this answer. We're going to add the period of tangent to that. And we're going to get 7 pi over 4. So that falls within 0 to 2 pi. So we circle that one. If we add another 2 pi to this, we're going to get way outside of the 0 to 2 pi range. So again, we can stop adding. Yeah, we need to add 1 pi to this. I'm sorry, 1 pi, one cycle of tangent to this. No matter what, we're still outside of the 0 to 2 pi range. So here's your 4 answers. 1, 2, 3, 4 answers. Alright, so we just have one more to do here.